We all have the same 24 hours each day. Yet, some people accomplish more in the average day than others can in a week. Why is that? One of the reasons: they wake up earlier. Studies have shown that the average CEO wakes up at least 3 hours before they actually go to work. Waking up early and getting your day started is one of the most common habits of successful people. If you want to be efficient and ultra-productive, you need to know how to wake up early without an alarm. How to wake up early without an alarm, the number one habit of success. Part 1. How to stop depending on your alarm. Before you can hop out of bed without setting the alarm, you need to phase it out slowly. Don't cold turkey your notice and risk not getting up or missing work. Start by trying these methods to wean yourself off the alarm clock. Practice on weekends. Instead of trying on a workday, try to get up when you usually would during the week. Use an old school alarm. If you use your phone as an alarm, you most likely look at it right before you go to bed. Maybe even scrolling through social media before you go to sleep. This sets you up for failure as the blue light from the screen delays the release of your body's melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Quit the snooze button. The snooze button kills more dreams than anything else. Quit sleeping through life and take control of your mornings. The snooze button puts you back into a new sleep pattern and often makes you more tired than before pressing it. Part 2. How to wake up early without an alarm. Now that you have started to wake up early without an alarm, you can keep getting better with these habits. Create the perfect sleeping environment. You are a product of your environment, including your sleeping environment. Create an optimal sleeping environment by making sure it's dark and slightly cold. Also, save your bedroom for sleeping, not reading, watching TV, or working on your laptop. Change your habits. The quality of your sleep and the ability to wake up without an alarm depends on how well you treat your body throughout the day. Make sure you are exercising regularly and not eating too late. When you eat late, it might be hard to fall asleep, which will keep you up later and sleep in later. Also, avoid caffeine in the late afternoon and evening as the stimulant can also make it hard to get to sleep. Practice meditation. Meditation has so many benefits, including the ability to help you sleep better. Try night meditation apps like Primed Mind or Headspace to get started. Go to bed at the same time. The last key to waking up without an alarm is keeping your routine consistent, yes, even on the weekends if possible. Your body clock doesn't take days off. Forcing it to do so will throw your entire routine out. Try to wake up and go to sleep simultaneously every day, noticing a huge difference. Get started tomorrow. As Craig Ballantyne said in the bestseller, The Perfect Day Formula, habits are the secret to getting ahead in life and achieving your big goals and dreams. Change your habits, and you can change your life. Suppose you want to become the ultimate version of yourself. You have to learn how to conquer your mornings to conquer your days. When you first learn how to wake up without an alarm, remember to start slow and build your way to waking up on your own.